So I just did this with a student the other day. We have been working on fractions for months, like adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. She can do it. Boom, 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 boom. We did our warm up. We were doing all of our fraction stuff, just rehearsing, right? And then I said, okay, what about 1/2 plus 2/3 minus 1/4? Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a math and science teacher for 20 years. And I'm here to make math engaging and fun. Oh, click on the link, do the stuff, like, subscribe, follow. And just that jump of 2 to 3 fractions, I had to talk her through it a little bit because it's not the same thing that we've been doing for months and months and months. It's just that little tiny change, right? You know, you go through all the integer rules and all of a sudden you throw a fraction or you throw a decimal in there and they're not going to get it. Right? They don't realize because they've just memorized exactly what they do when the problem looks like this. It's just sort of like a game of memory, right? The flipping over the cards. Like, oh, if it looks like this, I do this. If it looks like this, I do this, right? But if they understand the why, they understand what they're doing, they can do this. And so you're just still looking at, okay, you're just adding or subtracting fractions. Common denominator, you can multiply them all together, totally fine. You could do 12, you can do whatever, right? And then once you get all of the numerators sorted out, you can then, it's just adding and subtracting, right? It's nothing brand new. It's just applying it in a little bit different way. That is doing math.